I'm going to park this 120 loader off this 4035 Mahindra tractor. Basically what I'm going to do initially is raise the loader up some, roll the bucket over. Then I'm going to leave, that leaves the weight off the right and left pin. I'm going to pull the right and left pin and locate the parking stand. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the bucket and the parking stand to set firmly on the ground. Then I'm going to retract the lift cylinders and then roll back the bucket. As I roll back the bucket, the loader will actually lift off of the brackets. Relieve the hydraulic oil and then disconnect the quick couplers.